The first step is to simply open up your settings, and then you're gonna have to scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Now simply tap on that, then you're gonna have to enter your passcode, and from here we're gonna have to enable this option which says iTunes and App Store. So make sure it's enabled. Now after we do that, we're gonna have to go back and then simply tap on Screen Time. Here we're gonna have to scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And from here we're gonna have to tap on App Installations and Purchases. And then here where it says Require Password, we just have to select Don't Require. In case an app was installed previously on your phone, you will not be required to use the Face ID again for those apps, only for the new ones. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.